The leaders of Eyaen Cattle Dealers Association don't strongly condemn the actions of all the bad people where they carry guns waka they pretend to be herdsmen. Our Tory person Iyobusa Igodaro reports say the association yarn say the criminal activities of these bad people where they disguise as herdsmen, they affect their businesses for the state. For one talk session on Thursday 13th March, the association yarn say these bad people they kill farmers, destroy farmlands and properties, and say now them they fear sake of say people they mistake them wey be cattle dealers for these bad people wey don't make am hard for them to carry their animals waka freely and it don't draw their business go back. They come beg the Edo state government and the security agencies say make them find and arrest these criminals.
Eyaen Cattle Dealers market condemning addressing activities of criminal possession as Herdsmen. Benin Edo State, the Eyaen Cattle leaders under the leadership of Chairman Alhaji Idris Adano strongly condemning the sensitive act of violence and destruction perpetrated by the ends of criminal miscoding as Herdsmen in Edo State. These devil activities have been causing means harms to innocent life and property, and we will not stand idly by wailing our community, terrorizing. We are cattle dealers. We are cattle association and your cattle market, distance ourselves from activities of this men. We are arguing to the security agency to take sensitive actions against perpetrators, bring them to justice. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that our community is safe and secure for all. We are recalling to the state and local government to take proactive statement to address underline the issues of fueling this conflict and find lasting solution to the conflicts. We also appeal to the general public to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity to the security agency as we work together to restore peace and security to our communities. Signing by Alhaji Idris, Executive Chairman Eyaen Cattle Market, Edo State.
The chairman of Eyaen Cattle Dealers Association, Alhaji Idris Adiano, Alhaji Bello, and the APC Arewa chairman Alhaji Danju Magaruba talk say them not support the actions of these bad people and say them ready gidigba to cooperate with all the security agencies to find these people and remove them from we land. Say Edo State now one of the most peaceful states for the country and them go like may the peace continue.
For my own advice, our leadership, you need peace. I be number one. Number two, we want me to cooperate. We can work together, both the police and soldier and vigilante and governor. We can work together. We can give us power. Who bad person, you can send out. We don't need them for Edo State. Make God help us, and everybody where you get information, you can let us know. You can take action about it.
Our chairman and the community for Eyaen Cattle Market, they cooperate with the government, cure for the security for this state because they never want to any bad person. What did they happen for neighboring state? They don't want them for this state. That's why I say, inshallah, for this government, they will take action. Assalamu alaikum.
As you are seeing, we need peace in the state. We need peace. All the herdsmen are terrorizing the bush, our farmers, women, we are not happy. We don't like that. And now we are ready to cooperate with the governor, the government, and the state vigilante and the police. We will need their cooperation to fish out all these bad people in this state. As far as we are in Benin, we are with our family here. We need peace in this state. We will not want whereby somebody will come and spoil the relationship, the good relationship with the Benin and the Hausas. We are not here to disturb the farmers. We ourselves, we are farmers. We will not allow somebody else to come and destroy the good relationship between we and the Benin. For that, we like the state government to cooperate with us and the police. Whatever we know, the community that will fish out the bad, we will tell them and we'll go and show them the place that will fish out the bad people. We will not allow the bad to come and spoil the good.
Meanwhile, the leaders of the Eyaen Cattle Market can carry Tory people enter the market, make them see how the markets they run. The union members still they hopeful say The state government, especially security agencies, go take the right step to solve the security wahala for the state. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Eyaen Cattle Dealers reporting for TMC TV.